Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello student, how are you today? Here in this video, I want to explain about properties of logarithms. Okay, let's see this example. Number 1, log base 6 of 4 plus log base 6 of 9. Because the base same equals 6, we can simplify it. Log base 6 of the argument 4 and 9. We can multiply it. 4 times 9. And it will be log base 6 of 36. Then log base 6 of 36 we can write as log base 6 of 6 square. 36 equals 6 square. Then the exponent 2 we can move in front of logarithm. 2 times log base 6 of 6. Log base 6 of 6, because it is same, argument and base same, it is equal 1. 2 times 1 equal 2. Or in this step, you can guess log base 6 of 36. What is the exponent that make 6 to blah 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 equal 36? You find the exponent. So the exponent will be 2. 6 square equal 36. So we can find the answer 2. It is same. Next question, log base 5 of 10 minus log base 5 of 2. Okay, check the base. It is same. Now we can combine it. Log base 5 of the argument 10 and 2, because it is minus, we can divide 10 over 2. Log base 5 of 10 over 2 is 5. Log base 5 of 5, because base and argument same, the answer is 1. Next question, log base 9 of 1 over 27. Okay. Now we change base and argument. We can write in the exponential. 9 it is equal 3 square. 1 over 27 it is equal 3 to the power of negative 3. The exponent negative 3 and here 2 we can move in front of logarithm. Negative 3 and 2 move in front of logarithm. It's become negative 3 over 2 log base 3 of 3. Then log base 3 of 3, because it is same, it will be equal 1. Negative 3 over 2 times 1. And the answer is negative 3 over 2. It is the answer. Next question, number 4. Log base 3 of 8 times log base 4 of 27. It is multiplication. The base different 3, 4. The first step, we can change the number into exponential. This 3, no problem. 8 change into 2 cube. And then 4 here we change into 2 square. 27 equal 3 cube. Okay, next we move the exponent 3. Move 3 times log base 3 of 2 times, then here we have 3 and 2. Move in front of logarithm. 3 over 2 times log base 2 of 3. Then we can collect the number 3 and 3 over 2. 3 times 3 over 2, logarithm with logarithm, log base 3 of 2 and times log base 2 of 3. Okay, we can multiply it. 9 over 2. How about this? Now we check argument 2 and here base 2, because same, we can write as log base 3 of 3. And log base 3 of 3 is 1. So the answer only 9/2. Finish. Number 5. 5 to the power of log base 5 of 10. Yeah, it is the exponent. Nah, base 5 and here also 5. Because same, remember the property, it's only 10. Yeah, the answer only 10. Number 6, similar. 8 to the power of log base 2 of 3. Okay, it is the exponent. But base 8 and in the logarithm, the base 2 different. Now, we cannot use the property until the base same. How to make it same? Now, we can change 8 into 2 cube. Now, 8 equal 2 cube. And we write here the exponent log base 2 of 3. Then, we have double exponent here. We can multiply the exponent. 3 times log base 2 of 3. And then, 3 in front of logarithm, we can move here. It become exponent log base 2 of 3 cube, right here. Now base same 2 2. The answer is only 3 cube. 3 cube equal 27. It is the answer, student. Number 7. If log base 3 of 5 equal p, then find log base 25 of 81. Here we use the properties. Log base blah 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 of 81 over log base blah 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 of 25. What is it? It is blank. And then back here we know base equal 3. Then we can use 3 as the base here. Log base 3 of 81 over log base 3 of 25. And then next, log base 3 of 81 change into exponential 3 to the 4th. It is equal 81 over log base 3 of 25. 25 is 5 square. And then we can move the exponent. 4 times log base 3 of 3 over 2 times log base 3 of 5. 4 over 2 is 2. Log base 3 of 3 is 1. How about this? Log base 3 of 5. Okay, here equal p. So it is p. The answer 2 over p. It is the answer. Okay, it is the last question maybe. Number 18. If log base 2 of 3 equal m and log base 3 of 5 equal n, then find log base 4 of 15. Okay, we can answer here. Log base 4 of 15. Okay, now we change into log base blah 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 of 15 over log base blah 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 of 4. Okay, now the base we can choose from the given noun. We can use 2 or 3. Here I use 2. It must be same 2 2. And then continue. Log base 2 of 15. 15 we can change into 3 times 5. How about log base 2 of 4? 4 change into 2 square. Because the argument in the multiplication, we can expand into log base 2 of 3 plus log base 2 of 5 over log base 2 of 2 square. We can move the exponent 2 times log base 2 of 2. Now log base 2 of 3. Let's see, it is equal m. We can change into m. Log base 2 of 5. Now we have log base 3 of 5. The base 3. But here 2. It is the problem. Over 2 times 1. Okay. Now what is it? Yeah, log base 2 of 5. Okay. Log base 2 of 5 equal log base 2 of blah 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 times log base blah 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 of 5. Nah, it is 2 here and the argument 5 here. What is it? What is the number here? It must be same. And then we have number 3. Yeah, in the given noun we have 3. So it is 3. Nah, log base 2 of 3 times log base 3 of 5. If we multiply it, yeah, we can change into log base 2 of 5. Cancel 3. Then log base 2 of 3 is m times log base 3 of 5 is n. So we have log base 2 of 5 equal mn. We can substitute here mn. So the answer m plus mn over 2. Yeah, it is the answer, student. Other way to answer this question is log base 4 of 15 change into log base blah 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 of 15 over log base of 4. Nah, if the first way I use base 2, here I use base 3. Yeah. Nah, it must be same, equal 3. Equal log base 3 of 15. 15 change into 3 times 5 over log base 3 of 4. 4 is 2 square. Now we separate the argument log base 3 of 3 plus log base 3 of 5 over, and here we move the exponent 2 times log base 3 of 2. Log base 3 of 3 is equal 1 plus log base 3 of 5 back to question equal n over 2 times log base 3 of 2. Okay, be careful. Do you have log base 3 of 2? Here we have log base 3 of 5. Yeah, the argument 5. But here we have 2. How to find it? Nah, we can write here log base 3 of 2 is 1 over log base 2 of 3. We change base and argument. Yeah. Nah, switch base and the argument. 1 over log base 2 of 3. Back to question. Log base 2 of 3 is m. So it is equal m. 1 over m. Now we can substitute here. Log base 3 of 2 is 1 over m. And then we can simplify the fraction. 1 plus n over 2 over m. Then 1 plus n times 2 over m change into m over 2. Then you can multiply it. 1 times m, n times m, mn over 2. Okay, the answer will be same with the first. It is same. Okay, so no problem if you choose different base. Yeah, you can choose base 2 or base 3. Yeah, I think enough for today. Thank you so much, student. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.